The Titanic has a very special connection with this man, and it's not what you would think. His name was Morgan Robertson, and in the year 1898, he published a novella which was just 16 chapters long called Futility. Now, at that time, nobody really paid attention to it, and it wasn't really a big success. But 14 years later, readers were stunned when they realized that he had described a disaster which was similar to the sinking of the Titanic almost 14 years before it actually happened. In his story, Robertson imagines a massive ocean liner called the Titan, which is unsinkable. But during its maiden voyage across the North Atlantic, it strikes an iceberg and sinks. When the Titanic went down in 1912 under similar circumstances, the similarities were impossible to ignore. The size of the ship, the route of the ship, the month of the voyage, and even the shortage of the lifeboats. The parallels were so uncanny that it made people think whether Robertson could actually see the future. And just to be clear, the construction of the Titanic started around 1909, 1910, and there is no credible evidence that was inspired by this novella. Robertson himself denied all allegations and he said that he, in fact, cannot really see the future and he's not a psychic. He just said that he understood the dangers of calling a vessel unsinkable. And while this novella might not be my personal favorite, it still remains one of those uncanny literary moments where a fictional tragedy unfold almost detail for detail in real life.